Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. And today we are going to talk about how to plan a scavenger hunt in your backyard. This video will show you step by step how to plan for an unforgettable hunt for friends and family, so make sure you stick around for that. Determine the age group. Identifying the age group will help you determine the type of hunt to create, including the scavenger hunt time. If the hunt is for young kids, it must be simple and engaging with many visuals and done in daylight. If there will be a large number of kids, chaperones may also be needed. For an older group like your friends, the hunt can be more sophisticated and even carried out in the evening and when your friends are all available. Decide the theme of your scavenger hunt. Determining the age group will help you narrow down the theme. If you plan it for young children, the theme can revolve around colors, animals, pictures of things naturally found in the backyard, or alphabets. If the group is older, it could be more complex. For instance, they would need to answer a question or solve a riddle to determine the item they are to find. Create a list of items to find. You can now easily create a list of items you want found. They can be things easily found naturally in your backyard, or you can take things out of the house and hide them. Ensure the items are accessible, especially for children. If items are to be collected, provide baskets and torches if it is dark. Set rules for the hunt. Before the hunt begins, ensure the rules are clear. For instance, hunting within the backyard, having a time limit, and a meeting point for those who finish. Since younger children have a short attention span, let the time limit be at least 15 to 30 minutes. For an older group, it could range up to an hour. Divide into teams. If you have many friends or kids in your backyard, you will need to divide them into teams of 3 or 4 so that it is manageable and everyone gets to participate. Create the prizes. Once the time runs out, give out prizes to the winner and the first and second runners-up. The highlight of a scavenger hunt is having someone crown the winner over all of them. So there you have it. Planning a scavenger hunt may be stressful, but if you follow these steps, it can be a fun experience. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, or share this video. Till next time.